Today is a sad day. Why is it a sad day? Because it's the end of my gym membership. Not officially today, but it's going to be one of the last few times I'm going to go. So today I'm going to go film. Yeah, we had a good run. We're looking into another gym. So we're going to do the pros and cons of changing gyms, choosing the right gym for you, why choose it, why not choose it. So I'm going to get ready for the gym, get to the gym, work out, come back, edit video. Let's choose the gym wear. Shorts. My favorite new gym top. My shirt from the classic top box. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Last thing I need is good workout socks. I'm gonna wear my, if I can find them, yeah, my socks from Robin des Bois. All right. So the socks say un pour toi, un pour moi. Un pour toi. So, one for me, one for you. Basically, they sell socks to you, and when you buy one pair of socks, there's a second pair of socks that goes to somebody in need, which is awesome. So, why I bought these socks? Because they're pretty good, and when you feel comfortable with what you wear at the gym, you're gonna have an even better experience at the gym. Well, time to go to the gym. As you can see, you guys haven't seen this jacket, but it's winter-ish, close to autumn, but it's like minus something outside. So, yeah, gym time. What's up, guys? So I decided to do a voiceover to kind of guide you through my workout. So here I'm starting with a warm-up using a kettlebell. I like to get warmed up doing an active motion that activates a good amount of muscles, and that's fairly dynamic. I don't do any static stretches or anything like that. So I don't only warm up to warm up, but I also prepare the movements that I'm going to do, like here where I'm doing barbell squats, trying to get some depth and feel, kind of see how I feel in my body to prepare me for the squats. And here I'm going to be doing a squat ladder
which is going down in reps but higher in weight. So I did 10, 8, 6, 4, and then many sets of 2 reps, adding 5 pounds every time to see how far I could go. Using this method allows you to start at a comfortable weight and see how far you can go until you can maybe get to your personal best, which was mine today at 205. Pretty close to 2 plates. I need to add another 20 pounds to get there. Next on my workout was dumbbell snatches. I should have actually warmed up for that because it is a full body movement and my squats weren't enough. So my first few reps were pretty rough. How I could warm up for that is by going with a smaller weight and then doing it with a heavier weight. And then I did some lunges, which is fairly simple, trying to keep my core activated and to have a nice straight posture. Then I did some shoulder taps, which are great for your core and to help with shoulder stability. I have a lot of shoulder instability, so you can increase the speed, lower the speed, make sure your core is activated obviously, or else it kind of defeats the purpose. Then I did more core work, doing the wall sit and trying to keep a neutral spine. I'm just flapping my arms around to kind of count how long I'm doing it for instead of looking at a watch or my phone. So I was doing it for a count of 20 shoulder taps. Lastly, I did leg raises on the captain's chair, which is my favorite ab exercise because it targets a portion of my abs which is weak, which is the lower part. I try to keep my upper body stabilized and not be just flailing my legs around, but really trying to activate the lower ab and hip flexors.
Just got back, and that was one of my final workouts at Kardiologik gym. Next video will be about how to choose a gym based on your goals, your income or budget, the kind of person you are, if you like to be around a lot of people, not a lot of people, if you need to be led by a class, if you want to do your own thing, if you need a trainer, all that wonderful stuff in the next video. Thanks for watching. Actually, I'm not done. Je voulais dire un grand merci à tous ceux qui se sont abonnés dans les dernières semaines. I want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed in the last few weeks. I'm 2 people away from being at 100, which was my goal. Je suis à 2 personnes d'être à 100 abonnés, ce qui était mon but pour cette année. Donc je vous remercie tout le monde. Merci à Tante Lynn, à Samuel qui ont partagé les liens, qui se sont abonnés, je sais pas, ça fait un bout de temps. Donc tout le monde à Latic, peut-être à Saint-Tite, Montréal, Repentigny, Laval, South Shore, Montréal. I don't think there's anybody in the US, but if you are, how to thank you. Oof, that was weird. Anywho, I'm gonna have a very late lunch, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, let me know. Leave a like, leave a comment below. Otherwise, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe, abonne-toi, like, partage, aime ça. Thanks for watching.